Sight words.
Grade 1.
500 useful sight words for first grade students.
Part 2.
See.
I see a bird outside.
She.
She is my teacher.
Should.
I should eat my vegetables.
So.
I am so happy today.
Some.
I have some toys to share.
Still.
I'm still hungry.
Take.
Can you take me to the park?
Tell.
Can you tell me a story?
Then.
I like reading more than writing.
That.
That's my favorite game.
The.
I'm reading the book.
There.
Their dog is very friendly.
Them.
I'm going to visit them tomorrow.
Then.
I'll see you then.
There.
Put the book over there.
These.
I like these cookies.
They.
They are my friends.
This.
This is my favorite toy.
Those.
I don't like those shoes.
Though.
I'm tired, though.
Through.
We're going through the tunnel.
To.
I'm going to the store.
Together.
We're working together.
To.
I'm going to the party too.
Took.
I took a picture.
Under.
The ball is under the table.
Until.
I'll wait until tomorrow.
Up.
I'm going up the stairs.
Very.
I'm very happy today.
Was.
I was at the beach yesterday.
Were.
We were at the park.
What.
What's your favorite color?
When.
When is your birthday?
Where.
Where is the bathroom?
Which.
Which one do you like?
While.
I'm waiting while you finish.
White.
The snow is white.
Who.
Who is your best friend?
Whole.
I ate the whole sandwich.
Why.
Why is the sky blue?
Will.
I will go to the movies tonight.
With.
I'm playing with my friends.
Would.
I would like some ice cream.
Right.
Can you write your name?
Year.
I'm in first grade this year.
Yes.
Yes, I like pizza.
Yet.
I'm not tired yet.
You.
You are my best friend.
Your.
This is your book.
0.
I have $0 in my piggy bank.
Now learn again.
Master the basic English words.
See.
See.
I see the sun.
I see my dog.
Can you see me? She.
She.
She likes apples.
She can read.
She is kind. Should.
Should.
You should try.
I should help.
We should listen. So.
So.
I'm so tired.
It is so big.
She ran so fast. Some.
Some.
I want some juice.
She has some books.
Give me some time. Still.
Still.
I'm still here.
It is still raining.
She is still asleep. Take.
Take.
Take my hand.
Please take one.
I will take it. Tell.
Tell.
Tell me now.
Tell the truth.
I tell a story. Then.
Than.
I am taller than you.
Cats run faster than dogs.
I like milk more than juice. That.
That.
That is my hat.
Look at that bird.
I want the toy. The.
The.
The cat is here.
The ball is red.
The sun is hot. There.
There.
Their house is blue.
Their toys are new.
I like their dog. Them.
Them.
I see them.
Help them, please.
I know them. Then.
Then.
Eat first, then play.
Sit down, then wait.
I was happy then. There.
There.
Sit there, please.
The bag is there.
I will go there. These.
These.
These are my shoes.
I like these apples.
These look good. They.
They.
They are running.
They like school.
They are my friends. This.
This.
This is my book.
I like this song.
This looks fun. Those.
Those.
Those are birds.
I like those cookies.
Look at those stars. Though.
Though.
I am tired, though.
It is cold, though.
She smiled, though. Through.
Through.
Walk through the door.
We ran through rain.
Light shines through a glass. To.
To.
Go to bed.
Come to me.
I like to read. Together.
Together.
We play together.
Let's work together.
We eat together. Two.
Two.
I want one too.
She came too.
It is big too. Took.
took.
I took a pen.
She took my hand.
We took a walk. Under.
Under.
The cat is under.
Look under the bed.
Shoes are under there. Until.
Until.
Wait until noon.
Stay here until dark.
I slept until morning. Up.
Up.
Stand up now.
Jump up high.
Look up there. Very.
Very.
I am very happy.
It is very cold.
She is very kind. Was.
Was.
I was late.
It was fun.
She was here. Were.
Were.
We were tired.
They were happy.
You were right. What?
What?
What is that?
What do you want?
What time is it? When?
When?
When will we go?
When is lunch?
When can I play? Where?
Where?
Where is my bag?
Where are you?
Where did it go? Which?
Which?
Which one is yours?
Which book do you like?
Which color is best? While.
While.
Sit here while I read.
Play quietly while waiting.
She smiled while singing. White.
White.
The snow is white.
I have a white shirt.
The dog is white. Who?
Who?
Who is there?
Who can help?
Who took it? Whole.
Whole.
I ate the whole pie.
The whole class came.
Read the whole page. Why?
Why?
Why are you sad?
Why is it loud?
Why did you stop? Will.
Will.
I will try.
She will come.
We will win. With.
With.
Come with me.
I play with friends.
Sit with us. Would.
Would.
I would help you.
She would smile.
We would go. Write.
Write.
Write your name.
I can write words.
Please write neatly. Year.
Year.
This year is fun.
I am 6 this year.
Next year soon. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, I agree.
Yes, please.
Yes, I can. Yet.
Yet.
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
I am not ready yet. You.
You.
You are kind.
I like you.
You can do it. Your.
Your.
Your bag is here.
Is this your pen?
I like your shirt. 0.
0.
I have 0 cookies.
The score is 0.
Start from 0.